You got a pet baby birdie for your birthday? Hello, baby birdie.
Hi, baby.
Oh, birdie's sitting on your foot.
Gentle, very gentle. Very gentle.
Oh, it's a baby. That's a baby dove. Careful.
Gentle, Linus.
Pet him soft.
Gentle, gentle. Linus, gentle. Gentle, real soft.
Like him? Yeah, he's cute. He's a baby.
Sit on your foot.
He's a baby bird. Nice. Be nice, Linus.
Hi, baby bird.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Oh, little baby.
Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
Baby bird, I know.
Seriously?
Oh, baby bird, hi. Hi, little bird. Oh my gosh. Hi, little bird. Oh. Sweet bird. I know.
Are we in Animal Kingdom?
I know. What the heck is going on here?
Wow.
What are we going to do with it?
There's nothing left to do but name it.
Are we going to keep Little Man from eating it?
Yeah, you want a ball? Oh, it's very nice of you, Linus. Can we get him? You good?
No, I'm okay. I think he's hungry.
I know. What can we give him?
Some breadcrumbs or
Can I go find something?
crackers, maybe some kind of saltines, something. This is Lovey Dovey. His name is Lovey Dovey.
Lovey Dovey. Okay. Hello, Lovey Dovey. Put her in reverse, bud. Okay. Put her in reverse. There we go. I fixed it. Ready? Go. Yeah.
Now go toward Dad.
Okay. Okay, let go of the gas. All right, now we can go forward. Whoa, hold on. Okay, go. Hold on to the handlebars. Yeah. Whoa, you're running over your other toy. There you go. Good job. Uh-oh.
On the beach. He drove it some.
Hey, Lovey Dovey. It's a dove.